David is the son of a steel worker and has worked in mine prep plants, high-risk construction, utility plants, and steel mills. I would now like to introduce David Sarkus.
60 seconds for you to choose, 60 seconds for you to lose, 60 seconds, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute with your safety in the center of it. 1 minute to do your best, 1 minute to put your safety to the test. 1 minute to help those around you know that working safely truly is your very best. 1 minute. 60 seconds, that's it. 60 seconds that could hold all of eternity with your life wrapped up in it. Isn't that so true when it comes to safety? Things can turn from good to bad at once. From a dream to a nightmare, from delightful to disastrous with the stroke of a pen or the turn of a hand. I want to talk to you today about stepping up to be a coach for each other. Can I hear you say, oh yeah, baby? Oh yeah, baby. All right. I want to talk to you about building a sense of family and team. Can I hear you say, bring the butter? Bring the butter. Not quite sure what the third one's going to be. As I begin to wind down, I want to talk to you about clarifying the personal importance of safety for you and your family here and at work and outside of work. I want to talk to you about being a great coach one for each other, building each other up rather than breaking each other down, being a hero maker rather than a heartbreaker. Avery Dennison, 175 facilities worldwide without a recordable incident. DuPont in Corpus Christi, Texas, 12 years without a recordable incident. ExxonMobil in Clinton, New Jersey, over 10 years without a recordable incident. Rail America throughout North America, 2, 3, 4 years without a recordable incident. Can I hear you say it's possible? It's possible. Yeah. Thank you. It's possible when we all step up to be a great coach, to be a great teammate. When I was working for TRW many years ago, I was in a really large, cavernous warehouse. I was only on the job a couple months, and I was watching one of our forklift operators by the name of Sam. He was in the distance. He couldn't see me. I watched him for 5 or 6 minutes, and he was doing so many things well on that forklift. Any forklift operators in the room? Thank you. I'll paint the picture for you. Sam got on and off the forklift and put his seatbelt on. He kept the forks low. His head was on a swivel. He double-checked the load when he got off and got back on. He was moving at no more than walking speed, being very careful because there were close quarters. When he got to the blind intersections, he used his horn. Can I hear you say beep beep? Beep beep. Thank you. Then I approached Sam. He saw me, but he got nervous. How many people want to guess why he got nervous? Pardon me? Something wrong. He thought he did something wrong because his supervisor always broke him down, never gave him a word of praise. Can I hear you say, come on, Sue? Come on, Sue. Come on, Sue. How many supervisors in the room? Come on, Raul. Come on, Raul. Where's Raul? Right here. He's right here. But I have to tell you. I started to engage Sam in conversation. He said, should I speak to you or her? Raul, you're in trouble now. But Raul, he got a little nervous. Then I started talking to him. I said, Sam, you didn't do anything wrong. You did so many things right. I'm proud of you. A smile came upon his face. And I gave him feedback that was very specific. Feedback that's specific is important. I said, Sam, I was watching you for the last 5 or 6 minutes. You brought those forks all the way down. You put your seatbelt on. You double-checked the load. You were moving at no more than walking speed. When you got to that blind intersection, I heard you use the horn. Thank you. And then, Raul, I gave him my secret weapon. I gave him a token for some Coke. Coca-Cola. This was Northern California. But he was so happy. He was so excited. Later that day, I was walking in people in over 30 buildings. One of his co-workers, Danny, saw me. You know what Danny said? Danny said, Dave, come and watch me work. But as Bobby said, we can't force you to work safe. Not if it's going to have any large effect. You have to decide on your own with your coworkers influencing you that it's the right thing to do for you.